Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here to review a super powerful film emulation plugin named Dehancer. I'm thankful to Team Dehancer. They have reached me and asked me to review their plugin in DaVinci Resolve. So I decided to give it a try and share my honest thoughts with you. It's been a week that I'm using this plugin. I found this plugin really easy to use even if you are beginner in color grading. With this plugin, you can easily achieve film look in your footage even you take shot from your mobile camera. So if we are talking about mobile camera, by the way, they also have a iOS app named Dehancer. So I will make a review on this also. So stay tuned. Let me show you some footage that I have edited using Dehancer plugin. Include film grain, bloom and halation effects to bring your footage to life.
Wow.
As you can see, the plugin has added the film-like texture which make it look more cinematic and professional. Now, let me show you how to use Dehancer in DaVinci Resolve. First, you need to install the plugin on your computer, then you can apply it to your footage by adding a new node and selecting the plugin from Effect Library. From there, you can adjust settings to achieve desired looks. The Dehancer is very feature-rich plugin, so it might take some time to use all the settings, but once you get the hang of it, you can create some amazing film-like effects. So let's talk about some setting of the Dehancer. First we have input section where we select camera brand and format of our footage. Next we have film developer option where we can change contrast boost, camera correction, color separation and color boost. As you can see, I'm changing contrast boost. It's kind of like log file and camera correction, as you can see. So next we have film option. Here you can select different profiles, different film stock profiles like a dog's color 100, agfa color 100 and many more like Fuji Chrome and Kodak Eastman. So I'll go with the Kodak VN350D. Next we have film compression. In film compression, first we have impact option, but first we have to enable film compression. There are a lot to play in film compression. As you can see, you can play with white point, tonal range, color, density. So next we have expand option. In expand option, we can play with black points. As you can see, we can reduce black points and we can make it higher. We can also play with white points. As you can see, I'm making black point, now white point. So we'll leave it as it is. We have one more option, color mode, where you can change color normal to luma. Next we have print option. There are some print profiles. So first is linear, as you can see, linear, cine on log film and Fuji film. I'll go with Kodak 2383 print film. We can also target white in print, as you can see. So next we have exposure, tonal contrast. As you can see, I'm playing with tonal contrast, color density, and saturation. Next we have color head. In color head, we can change yellow to blue. As you can see, now the footage is more yellowish and now it's bluish. You can also change magenta to green and now it's a greeny. Next we have cyan and red. In color head section, we also have shadow tone, midtones, highlights, preserve exposure. So next we have film grain. It's my favorite. With film grain, you can add realistic film grain to your footage. As you can see, the amount is 100%. Now, as you can see, I'm just zooming. And so let's see that grainy footage. That's look pretty awesome. That's look like a scenery. You can also choose custom profile 16 mm or 8 mm, but if you want full grainy you can choose 35 mm. That's really grainy. Make this 100%. So next we have halation effect. First we have to enable halation effect. As you can see, the halation around the lights. You can also change profile of halation 8 mm. You can also amplify as you want. If you have some more knowledge about filming, you can also choose custom, but I'll go with 8 mm. So as you can see, halation is like next we have bloom effect. First we have to enable. As you can see, the blooming effect. There are also profiles 8 mm, super 8. You can also amplify. So next we have film damage, film breath, gate wave, overscan. I'm not going to talk about these. I did not properly understand these. So we have vignette. You can see vignette in 25%. Yeah, you can see exposure vignette. That's natural and organic. So that's for now. After using this amazing film emulation plugin, I strongly recommend that if you want to make your videos next level of cinematic, you should definitely give it a try. You can also try 15 days of trial. If you are interested in this plugin and want to buy the license, you will get 10% discount with my code. I will put the code in description. If you like this video, make sure you smash that like and subscribe button and leave your comment below.